workers. So this is how you bend the, what do you call that? The kabilya. Kabilya, no kabilya sa English man.
Oh.
Ayan. So these are the finished products that they did. Yun, di pa amo ka na vlog. So, ayan. So, so this is for the post for our wall. Looks like we're going to build a house. You have to make the wall, the fence wall. There, from there, until in that corner, there. Yan. So, this is my place. So, we have a lot of fruits here. This is mango, that's a jackfruit. We have star apple, santol, avocado, some banana trees, another mango tree, rambutan. Ew, my flip-flops is full of sand. Yan. So that's the rambutan tree. That is a papaya tree there. Oh no, trees. Some bananas. And then another mango tree. That is a banana. Again with some fruit. And the heart. I don't know what's the name of tambis in English. So, but another papaya tree. So yan, this is the life of province life that we love. So these are the stones for the wall that we're going to build for the fence. And then that's the sand. So we cut some of the trees that was on the wall, on the way of the wall that we're going to build. Yan. They have to transfer the thing because it's hot already on the other side. Post for the wall. There you go. Needs to cut that one. Itong talon ba? Very sharp.
Hindi
Ang ano? Ihawon na, tagin na sa akon kagapon. Amoy ako nakapalangga.
Ang isa kay Toto guro na. Kay Toto magana-guro isa.
Ngahaw.
Ay ambal niya ba yang sa may ambal niya aradang imo nga sulog to. Ano tong balya? Magani. Pagkakuno sa mga ada kay Doy, kamili niya bro. Ay so, nakita mo pag magabo na akong screen logo. Oo, ano ni how? Wala kaya mo na.
Nagkuha man kami tao, yung nga maugtas man lang kami yaman. Kamo ka na vlog.
Bayad pa sila, buti bayad na kamo.
Wala na yung sagapat na.
Kapoy kuya, pila man lang niya magsulod man. Wala man ipilitay ya.
Kung nakita nyo pagid guro.
Sila niya maubra. Kot lang kami niya kay sila niya maubra ya. Ay, hindi lusot ng mga panday sa bala.
Mga kiga niya pa kamo, kiga niya gani asawa ya. Hindi mga kigid sila sa iya ya. Mga kigid siya sa ila. Sang ila nga pang ubra.
man. Kaya kasi ko nag kaya wala na yan siya na di gani ko ba? May ano ko. Ang salugsutan sa tama ko. Ay, sa kawayan.
Tapos na to. Amo na yung tanan nga ano, or mabilin pa nga ulot doon. Grabe man yung
Palang nato na karon information na yan na ako titira sa kabilog bay.
300. Di sipon ko be. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grabe nga torture ba? 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 63,
Oo.
64, 65, 66, 67, tingin, 67, 68,
Ikaw na lang.
75 pa lang. Wala yung aming boss.
Sa utan siya.
So ginagawa namin yung ano yung
Hindi na si nag-contact
yun, di pa yung so our foreman is not here at the moment. So this will be the rebars for the post that we're going to make. Yan. So from one of this to this is 250 centimeter. Yan.
Naubos na.
And then after that, we have to tie it with the wire. So we need 4 and we already did, we need 5. So that's already the 5th one. 4. So this one so that would be the skeleton of our home. So this is my worker that doesn't know what she's doing. This is the foreman. I think I'm not yet done taking the mark.
Gani, asta ka lang yun.
May babae nga pangawat sa risa.
Nagit pa. Kaya po tadi. Sabi ako sa darling, ano ka tayo? Kuya, bus. Di, ano lang na, nang balo sa nakay, baka rin siya, mangwa lang sa payabas, kumakaon sa.
So, sino lang mas taas? Ikaw kung si...
Bibi. Pero mas taas ko si Ilay. Taas si Ilay, ah.
Market or something between. This is the upper east. So they have every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday they have night market with all kinds of food. You can buy shakes. It's really very nice. So they also have some flowers. As always, and you see the flowers. Roses. Dahlia. Sam is the youngest, but she's the tallest.
Tinday ang oldest.
This is the oldest, but she's the shortest. So he wanted to wanted to go to fishing. So we are looking for a fishing rod.
No problem, even
No, guys. Ano ganda ko mo? Tima mo din sa wala sila play.
To play. Hi guys. So to play I'll talk to the people. Hey mom and vlog mom and oo, ito ang masagwa na. Guys, food ka ta guys. Lupad na ako. Diba?
Bigyan ka pa kami.
I'm not making laughing.
Diba?
Almost napadiya, di ba? Wala. It's still the same.
Ano ka?
What do you want? Do you want ano? What kind of food?
Hot food. Good food.
Hindi yung bata. Monster. Guys, amo kami kalinong kung kami lang tatlo. Yo.
Kasi gusto yan. Igagaw.
Ay, wow. May pimples. Yeah, eh.
Bibi rice mo nito eh.
Ah.
Bibi
Rice ka man, ma-rice ka o ma-burger. Burger ko na yan. Burger sa ko na. Gusto ko na.
Yan, gusto ko talaga.
My goodness. Wala ko, may pimples. Ito na lang.
Yan ko man ako.
Kita na lang ako. As in, hindi. Kainday. Kainday ako.
Gigan ko.
Gusto niya stop na ako.
Wala din.
Wait lang guys ha.